So today we're going to learn about if function again, the elseif thing. So elseif is something like, hey, else if or elseif. You have an apple and or variable of apple and orange. So there are three apples and orange. There are three orange, and we're going to compare which one is larger, right? Which number is larger? We want something that uh, if it's apple is bigger, then we're gonna have bigger. I mean, not bigger. Uh, the number of apples, the amount of apple that we have is larger. Then we're going to print apples. We have a lot more apples than orange, right? So if a is greater than orange, then we're going to have right here something like, hey, uh, apple is more than orange, right? So that's what um, this thing does. But we want to see also if it's equal amount inside our basket, or do they have the same amount of apple and orange, so that we can compare something like elif. Elif is stand for also right here. It's just like else if. So that's the same principle. So if this is not equal to this is not what we are getting, then this is the second conditions that we are trying to get. So this is going to be like that. So this is the second condition that we're trying to get, and we're going to print. We have uh, apple is equal to orange. I'm going to use the symbol equal sign. That's what we are trying to do. So that we have the second conditions, and we can have another conditions down here, so that it can go for forever. But we also we can have else here, and else there, if they are not equal to, that means default. So if these two conditions, if this conditions and this conditions right here doesn't happen, then this conditions will happen automatically. So orange is more than uh, apple. So that's what we're trying to say. So that's what the if condition does. Like we have elif, else, and if. Okay, now we're gonna look at uh, the code. Okay, so let's see in our code, and this is how we can compare. So we initialize the variable as 33 and b for 33. So if a equal to b, then we're going to print right here apples more than orange, right? We don't need that colon, we don't need that, we don't need that. Sorry, apple and orange. Okay, blah blah. Okay, there you go. So, and we're going to print if oh, this is going to be larger. That's okay, equal to O, and print we have the same amount of apple and orange. Else we have more orange. Yep. So that should do it. Now we're gonna run it on our terminal here. So Python 3, and then this is /if statement. There you go. We have the same amount of apple and orange. So this is going to the second one. So if we increase more apple, then we have more apple, more than orange. Okay, and if we increase more orange, we're going to have more orange. That's what it does. Nice. Okay. Well, the semicolon doesn't necessarily we don't need this, but whatever, it work. Okay, so that's it for our if and if else.